This is a short tutorial that walks you through updating your attendance Smartsheet. So when you are ready to go in to Smartsheet and update the parent program attendance information, you will enter smartsheet.com into your browser, like so. And then once you log in, you will be able to access your attendance sheet, which looks like this. So starting on the very left-hand side in this first column, it is called Parent Name. This is where you will enter the first and last name for every participating person in your parent group. And even if there are several family members from the same family unit attending the group, we ask you to put each person attending the group in a separate row. So you can see here there are some family members attending together and they are listed on separate rows. So you will list everyone here, first and last name. And then in the second column, which is called ID, please include the first name and then the initials. And if they have a middle initial and a last initial, you will include those. If they have more than one middle initial or more than one last initial, they can include that too. The important thing is that every person in your group has a unique parent ID. In other words, if two parents have the same exact first name and initials, then you'll want to find a way to distinguish them. And the easiest way to do that is to add the numbers 1 and 2 or something similar to differentiate between the parents in your group. So once you have added the parent names, the parent IDs, then you're ready to update the attendance. So the blue row is where you'll add the dates for the group. So I am going to show what it looks like to add and save the attendance info for week 1. So I'm going to go through here and indicate which parents did attend week 1. All right, so I had 8 parents attend week 1, and now to make sure this information gets saved, I need to click the Save button. So I'm going to click that in the upper left-hand corner here, right under File. You can do File, Save, or you can click the little button. It's important to note that unfortunately, Smartsheet does not automatically save, so you have to click Save in order to successfully make sure the information that gets entered will be here for you later. So that is what it looks like to update the attendance information. A couple other things to note: if you scroll over to the right, you'll see that in the left-hand column, as you go throughout the group and update attendance weekly, the number of sessions attended by each person will automatically update and populate in this yellow column. And then we also have a column here that says, did the parent drop out? So if for any reason someone was unable to continue and complete the group, that is perfectly fine. Please just indicate by checking the row with their name in it, and then it will automatically cross off. When you do that, again, please be sure to save. The main reason we ask you to indicate this information is it helps us as we're tracking the incoming surveys, especially when we get towards the end of your group. That helps us know who we can expect to receive surveys from. And then when you have a parent that has left the group, in this case we had this parent leave, you'll also want to indicate here the reason for dropout when you know why. So for example, perhaps this person moved and that's why they can no longer attend. And then again, once you indicate that, you will click Save. So that is how you update your attendance Smartsheet.